your rental income 30k, yeah, which is roughly that probably 7-8% ROI. So you're bringing in 30 grand a year. Okay, let's have a look what you could be doing. So if I had that money, this is what I'd be able to do off the most. This here is the most basic strategy that I teach. So you, in fact, you can fucking tell me now. If you had 400k, how many of them could you buy?
Well, it'd be 80% of each property, wouldn't it? You'd be able to draw out.
How many? 25. Okay? Now if we say, let's say for ease of maths, we're just making 3 grand per property. So we've got 25 times 3 grand is how much per year? Is 75,000.
So I can easily, reach my dream spot.
Okay. What we're missing, what we're failing to forget, if they're all bought, let's just say they're only 10 grand below market value, how much could he be making a year in capital? If he's got 25, and let's just say we're looking at this worst case now, he can only make 10 grand on each one. What's he making in capital as well as? $250,000 on top of that. That's every year. Why? Because he can pull it back out and do it again. So he could be making 325,000, but he's making 30. Glad you come.
That's the reason I'm here.